Sneezing and coughing are natural actions, but they can spread germs into the air when you sneeze or cough. Always cover your mouth and nose with your hand, elbow, or a clean tissue. This helps prevent germs from spreading to your friends, teacher, and family members after sneezing or coughing. You should wash your hands properly with soap and water. If a tissue is used, throw it in the dustbin immediately. Following these good habits helps keep everyone healthy and safe and shows good manners.